Unit 6, Exercise 6.2, question number 2. If P, the coordinate is RC, is the midpoint of a line segment between the axes, then show that x by r plus y by c is equal to 2. Now let's see the solution. Say this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and the meeting point of the two axes, we say it as origin, and assume this is a straight line, and here in x, this is x, no, in the x coordinate it meets a point A, where A we say it as a comma 0 nam assume panikalam. A oda coordinate a comma 0, idu B nu assume panikalam. Inga B oda coordinate 0 comma B nu assume panikalam. Okay, again read the question. If the coordinate P of R comma C is the midpoint of a line segment between the axes. So in the line mele the midpoint irukku assume panikonga. This is a point P where the coordinate is R and C. Now inga enna information nama gather pannomo adella inga eludhidalam. Let A and B be the points on the coordinate axis. On the axis. Given P of R comma C is the midpoint of the line segment. Is the midpoint of the line segment. Of the line segment AB. And you know the formula, midpoint of AB is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So, the midpoint of AB already kuduthirukanga. The coordinates, the midpoint is RC. And already we have assumed that A as A comma 0 and B as 0 comma B. Therefore, this is x1, y1, and the coordinate of B we assume it as x2, y2. Now, let us substitute in this formula x1 plus x2 by 2. That is A plus 0 divided by 2. A plus 0 by 2. 0 na podala. Okay. Adhe pola y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That is 0 plus b divided by 2. That is b divided by 2. Nama enna prove pananum abdingiradha, again you see the question. We have to show that x by r plus y by c is equal to 2. That is the equation of the straight line in intercept form. So அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு இல்லையா, equation of the straight line in intercept form. அது என்ன formula? X by a y by b is equal to 1 அப்படிங்கிறது வரும். Okay, அப்போ இங்க a உடைய value and b உடைய value நம்ம obtain பண்ணிட்டு equation of the straight line formula போட்டு substitute பண்ண போறோம். Okay, now equate r க்கு equal we have a by 2 and c is equal to b divided by 2. Therefore, this is a is equal to 2r and b is equal to 2c. இப்போ இத நாம a is equal to 2r and b is equal to 2c obtain பண்ணிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, இத equation of the straight line in intercept formula substitute பண்ண போறோம். Equation of the straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. இது வந்து equation of the straight line AB. இங்க already a க்கு நம்ம 2r னு obtain பண்ணிருக்கோம், b க்கு 2c னு obtain பண்ணிருக்கோம். So அதை இங்க substitute பண்ணிடலாம். Plus y divided by 2c is equal to 1. And you can see that 2 is common in both the denominator. So on the common denominator 2 by the right side 1 oda multiply பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படினா we have x by r plus y by c which is equal to 2. Okay, so இதுதான் நமக்கு prove பண்ண சொல்லி கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. We have obtained the answer. hence proved. Okay, thank you children.